Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to see three different functions in Excel that can be pretty useful on the day-to-day. So these three functions are the mid function, the left function and the right function. So let's start with left the left function. So let's imagine that we want actually to extract a series of letter in a cell starting from the left. We can just insert a function with the equal sign and then just look for left. Now, as you can see, this function returns the specified number of characters from the start of a text string. Okay, so now we can start by opening our parentheses. Now we have to indicate the text, which is our cell where we are looking to extract a series of characters. So let's start, for example, from the region, and now we can just insert a comma so that we can just turn to the second element of the function, which is the number of characters basically that we want to extract. So let's suppose that we want to extract just the first character, the first letter. We just insert 1 and then we can close our function with the parentheses. Now we press enter, and as you can see, what we are doing now is we are extracting basically, starting from the left of the cell, basically the first character. Intuitively, if we press here 2, what we are getting is in column H the first 2 letters in the cell. So can be pretty useful if, for example, we have a cell that is composed by a fixed number of character, okay, and then another a space and then another set of fixed number of characters. So in this way we can just extract and create 2 separate columns with the information. So for example, let's suppose that we have I don't know, it could be the street, or for example the postal code, and we want to extract always the same number of characters. With the left function as well as with the right function we can do it. As you can imagine, the only difference with the right function that we are going to create right now is that we are starting from the right of the cell. So in this case, instead of starting from the E, we would have started from the T. So for example, let's try to insert a right function here the same way. As you can see, the first element is the cell, so we can just go back to the region, then we insert our comma and we tell them the number of characters we are interested to extract. So also here, let's start with 1, press enter, and now you see that we are extracting the last character in the cell. So T for the first one, L, and so on. Same way, we can just insert the 2 if we want, for example, to extract always 2 characters starting from the right of the cell. Now I would like to show you a function that I believe is more powerful and can be pretty useful, which is the mid function. The mid function that I'm inserting right now, as you can see, returns the characters from the middle of a text string given a starting point, position and length. So let's try to figure out which are the elements of this function. We open the parentheses, and as you can see, the first element is always the text, which is our cell. Then we need to tell Excel the starting number. So after how many characters we want to start extracting information. So let's say, for example, that we want to start after 1 character, so we press 1, and then we say to Excel how many characters then we want to extract. So for example, after the first one we want to extract 2 characters. Okay, so we press 2 and then it's done. We can close our function. So here in the first one we should get AS AS if we would have said in this main function 2 also as a standing number. In this case we are getting a different result because we inserted 1. When we say 1 we are starting from the first letter. Okay, so in this case if we want to get AS we should have said 2 characters because 1, 2, and then we are starting extracting information. Going back to the 1, so if we want to extract just the first 2, as you can see, we can just insert 1. But in this case I would like to show you how we can extract information starting from for example the middle of the text. So in this way, as you can see, we are always extracting 2 characters starting from the second letter in the cell. So yes, yen, 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 and so on. So as you can see, the mid function can be very powerful. Just to make some order in the table, we can just renominate the column in this case. So for example, this one was the left function, this was the right function, and this is the middle function. I hope this video was helpful for you and easy to understand, and we will see you in the next one.